She had a lot of things going against her, but she just kept on going. You're not supposed to be a fishing guide. She was one of the first, she was probably the first female fishing guide and one of the best.
Esperanza Woodring's skills as a castanetter, commercial fisherman, and fishing guide were admired by visiting anglers, other fishing industry professionals, and the Sanibel community at large. In this documentary, we will hear from friends, family members, historians, and others to examine how and why this resourceful and respected Spanish American became an island icon. We'll also visit the history of Sanibel's Woodring Point on San Carlos Bay. First, the homestead of the pioneering Sam Woodring Sr. family, and later the longtime residents of Esperanza and her husband, Sam Woodring Jr. We'll show you rarely seen home movies of life at Woodring Point as captured by a family member of one of Esperanza's closest friends. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sanibel Historical Museum and Village and the Captiva Island Historical Society present Passion and Courage, the Esperanza Woodring story.